If you've opened a dozen tabs trying to find which AI tools actually help with crypto research, security, or trading, this video is for you. I'll show you how to use Token Tool Hub's AI Crypto Tools directory to discover trustworthy tools, build fast workflows, and avoid common mistakes. By the end, you'll know how to go from "what should I use" to a clean personal stack you can trust. Go to Token Tool Hub, Crypto Tools, AI, Crypto Tools. At the top, you'll see a large search bar and 3 simple filters: category, pricing, and model. We built it this way on purpose. No clutter, no dark patterns, just what you need to pick the right fit quickly. Here's a quick way to start. Type one thing you care about into search: rug check, wallet alerts, DEX insights, or tax. Then narrow by category. Choose security and audits for contract risk, on-chain research for analytics and dashboards, trading and automation if you're building rules or bots, or compliance and tax if you need clean records. Next, set pricing. If you're testing, start with free or freemium. If you're a team, pick Pro to surface enterprise-grade options. Finally, choose model. Pick hosted LLM, bring your own key, BYOK, or hybrid tools that blend heuristics with AI. Use BYOK when privacy matters, or you want audit trails. Every tool card gives you the essentials up front: what the tool does best, typical use cases, pricing notes, and a link to docs. We also add what to watch notes, rate limits, data sources, or permission risks, so you can make an informed call before connecting a wallet or API key. If a tool is early, we tag it as experimental, so you can decide whether to test it on a burner setup first. Let's build 3 fast workflows. Workflow 1. Due diligence in 10 minutes. Pick a contract scanner in security and audits. Add a research assistant in Onchain research to summarize docs, treasury updates, and governance posts. If the token trades, add a price or liquidity alert from trading and automation. In 10 minutes, you've scanned risk, skimmed the narrative, and set alerts. No guessing, no doom scrolling. Workflow 2. Portfolio autopilot for serious hobbyists. Filter to portfolio and PNL. Choose a tracker that reads your addresses across chains and tags inflows, outflows, and fees. Add an AI note-taker from research to summarize weekly activity. Finish with a rules tool from trading and automation that nudges you when conditions hit, like stablecoin exposure over 40% or gas above X for Y minutes. Workflow 3. Builder's checklist. Choose dev and security plus on-chain research. Grab a code assistant that understands Solidity prompts, pair it with a fuzzer or static analyzer, and add a doc chat tool to speed up reading EIPs. That combo turns a long weekend into a productive sprint without sacrificing safety. Now, 5 evaluation tips to apply to any tool card. 1. Data transparency. Do they state which chains, indices, or oracles they use? 2. Model provenance. If it's LLM-powered, is the model named, and can you bring your own key? 3. Permissions. Never grant broad approvals you don't need. Prefer read-only first. 4. Rate limits and export. If you can't download your own reports or notes, you're renting access, not building a workflow. 5. Cost curve. Many tools feel free until you hit daily caps. Check what changes at each tier so you don't get surprised mid-month. Use cases by role. New to crypto? Start with 2 tools: a friendly research summarizer and a watch list with alerts. Analyst? Add a graph query tool that turns natural language into on-chain queries and exports CSV. Security-minded? Pair a contract analyzer with a wallet monitor that flags new approvals, drains, or suspicious tokens. Ops or compliance? Look for tax-ready P&L, address tagging, and auditable exports. Builder? Mix code assistants, fuzzers, and doc chat that can index your white paper or repo. Under the hood, this directory is curated. We test popular requests, delist tools that stagnate, and add clear notes when a product is early or experimental. Not seeing something you rely on? Use. Submit a tool. Tell us what it does best and one reason you trust it. We'll vet it, and if it clears the bar, add it so others benefit. You can also favorite tools and share the page with filters applied so teammates see exactly what you see. We rotate featured picks monthly based on accuracy, stability, and usage feedback. A few safety reminders. AI speeds up work, but it can also accelerate mistakes. Treat outputs as opinions until verified. Scan contracts and URLs independently. Don't paste private keys, seeds, or sensitive legal docs into any model you don't control. When in doubt, test in a burner wallet and a separate browser profile. And remember, if a tool asks for unlimited token approvals, stop and rethink the flow. 2 pro tips before you go. First, pair complementary tools instead of chasing the one app to rule them all. A tight stack wins. A scanner, a research assistant, and an alerting tool cover 80% of needs. Second, set a weekly review. Bookmark your filtered page, open your 3 tools, and spend 20 minutes on moves, risks, and opportunities. Consistency compounds. Over time, you'll know exactly which tools are essential and which ones you can drop to save money. That's the tour. Token Tool Hub's AI Crypto Tools page helps you find practical, trustworthy tools fast and build a workflow you'll actually stick with. Dive in, filter by your interests, and start testing a focused set today. If this guide helped, subscribe to Token Tool Hub, like the video, and comment with the one job you want AI to handle for you: research, security, trading, or something else. Then head to the AI Crypto Tools page and build your stack. Links are in the description. See you in the next deep dive.